Hello everyone, my name is Shivendra and I am going to complete my MTech in Food Process Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. And here I am at Foodemy to talk about some of the important aspect of this course. So let us get started. If you are from India, then you must be knowing that IITs hold a special take, and it is a dream of the many students to pursue their education from an IIT. So IIT Kharagpur is one of the popular premier institute in India, and which is also the oldest IIT, and it is known for its quality education and the research output. So IIT Kharagpur offers this course that is joint MTech in Food Process Engineering, which is a 2 year course. So let's see its eligibility. So if you have completed your graduation and qualified the GATE examination with food science and technology or food technology or agriculture engineering or mechanical background, that is mechanical engineering, so you are eligible for this course. So anybody who seek to get admission for this food process engineering MTech program at IIT KGP has to participate in the counseling process conducted through COAP, that is Common Offer Acceptance Portal, every year after declaration of the GATE result, and the final selection will be based on your GATE score and category also. So each year the cutoff varies, but I can tell you my example. In 2000, I qualified the GATE examination in 2019, and I had a GATE score of 557. So with this GATE score and the OBC category, I got this seat for food process engineering at IIT KGP in the first round of counseling itself. So there are total 30 number of seats for this particular course at IIT KGP. The course structure consists of a total of 4 semesters in 2 years, and in the first year of the program, that is for the first and second semester, students are taught various theoretical subjects in depth along with the laboratory classes, and uh, students will have to deliver their credit seminar in each semester. In the second year of the program, that is third and fourth semester, so these 2 semesters are fully devoted for the MTech major project, and students will have to carry out their research activity. So for this, at the end of the second semester, each student is assigned his or her supervisor along with the project title or the research field on which they have to work. So once a student is a part of the this MTech program at IIT KGP, he or she will get a stipend of rupees 12,400 per month from the government of India. And now here I would like to mention about the DART scholarship program, which is a German academic service exchange between the top universities of Germany and the Indian universities. In the first 2 semester, if you have a good OGPA somewhere above 8.5, then under your guidance of your supervisor, you can apply for this scholarship. And if you are selected for this particular DART scholarship, then you will have to carry out your research activity in the any one of the universities of Germany. And at the end of the fourth semester, you will return to IIT KGP for the final defense seminar. Throughout this DART scholarship program in the second year, while you are in the Germany, you will get further scholarship from the German universities, a good amount of scholarship, and also the study allowances and subsidies in the traveling expenses. The fee for the each semester, the average fee we can say is around 40 to 45,000, which includes the accommodation and the food expenses also. Student get enough time to prepare for the placements just after finishing the second semester, and many companies from the core, uh, that is food processing industry, as well as the non-core such as the IT industry, visit IIT Kharagpur campus every year in generally in the month of October and November every year. So, however, the placement percentage of placement varies every year. So, as I mentioned in the intro part, that it is a joint MTech in food process engineering, which implies that students have this privilege to continue their PhD program at here itself under the MTech supervisor without further going through any interviews or admission procedures. Apart from all these academic features, IIT Kharagpur has an excellent campus life, which encourages students to take part in the various other activities such as games and sports, music and dance, art, live debates, other startup supports, and all those things. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have further any doubts regarding this course, then please write it in the comment box. We will try to answer it. And thank you once again for watching this video, and do subscribe to Foodemy for more such videos.